Hello everyone, my name is Lovely Bumag and today I want to share with you what it means to be a real estate agent. So, being a real estate agent is more than just selling houses, condominiums, and lots. Okay? It is also about helping people to find place they can call a home and guiding them in one of the most important investments in their lives. And as a real estate agent, I assist clients in finding properties that match their needs, budget, and lifestyle. I answer their questions, schedule site ratings, property viewings, and explain payment terms and help them throughout the buying process. And of course, one of the most rewarding parts of this profession is seeing the happiness of clients when they finally achieve their dream of owning a home and getting into real estate. So, knowing that I played a role in making their dream come true gives me a sense of fulfillment and purpose. And of course, however, being a real estate agent also requires patience, precision, and of course, continuous learning. Not every client is ready to buy immediately, and not every transaction is easy. So success comes from building trust, maintaining good relationships, and providing excellent service. So, sa trabahong ito, hindi lang kami nagbebenta talaga ng property tax. Bibigay din kami ng oportunidad, tumutulong kami sa pagbuo ng mga pangarap, at naging katuwang kami ng mga clients pag-abot ng kanilang mga goals. Ang pagiging real estate din po, dito ko naranasan mag-travel, and of course, dito ko rin po nabili yung mga gadgets na meron ako ngayon. And of course, being a real estate agent so hard, kailangan malakas ang loob mo, of course, and you have to take risks also. Being here, being a real estate agent is so hard, of course, kasi kung madali magbenta, ay di sana lahat tayo mayaman. Maybe that. In real estate po kasi, kailangan marunong ka rin tumanggap ng rejection. So, kapag na-overcome mo kasi yung mga rejections, yung mga no ng clients mo, that will be, yun ang magiging stepping stone mo para mas maging porsigido kayo bumenta. Okay? So, being in a real estate agent is so challenging.